Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on storage share on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8. So if you're running out of space, no problem. With storage share, your Samsung device can act like a mini cloud server for other Galaxy devices. So like your TV or maybe your Samsung Watch or any other Samsung devices. So first, let me show you how to turn this on. So first, go ahead and tap on Settings, scroll down and find Connected Devices. From here, scroll down and find Storage Share. Tap on this, go ahead and turn this feature on. And now this will explain to you what exactly it does. So it allows your TV or Samsung Book to access and use files and folders off the phone. For Storage Share to work, both devices need to have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Storage Share turned on. And then it'll show you how to connect. So go ahead and turn this feature on and you'll be able to share all the files from your phone to your Samsung TV or your Galaxy Book. So here you can share your storage wirelessly with friends and family. It's a quick backup when your device is full. You can keep files moving between devices without cables or apps. And this is great for creators handling photos and videos on the go. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on storage share on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8.